Hello children, last week we finished up till page 46. Today we'll start with page number 47. Inventions and discoveries. What is invention? Invention is creating something new by experimentation. That's the definition of invention. And what is discovery? Discovery is finding out something that already exists. Both of them are essential for our development. So there are some inventions given and the name of the scientist or the discoverer. Let's read that. Number 1, thermos flask, Sir James Dewar. Light bulb by Joseph Swan. Chocolate bar, J.S. Fry and Sons. ATM, John Shepherd Barron. World Wide Web, Tim Berners-Lee. Soda water, Joseph Priestley. Hypodermic syringe, Alexander Wood. Reflecting telescope, Isaac Newton. Disc brakes, Frederick William Lanchester. Television, John Logie Baird. Telephone, Alexander Graham Bell. Military tank, Ernest Swinton. Toothbrush, William Addis. Linoleum, what is this? This is a stiff material that is used for covering the floor, by Frederick Walton. Glider, George Cayley. Jet engine, Frank Whittle. Cement, Joseph Aspdin. Stainless steel, Harry Brearley. Electric motor, Michael Faraday. Photography by William Henry Fox Talbot. Page number 48, netizens. They are habitual users of internet or who are very keen to use the internet. Internet plays an important role in the modern life. And how does it help us? It helps us to gain knowledge about different things just with a click. It also helps us to communicate, to do our business and to entertain ourselves. So now we have certain descriptions and the names of the famous computer industry related people. Let's read that. Number 1, founder of Microsoft Corporation, Bill Gates. Co-founder and chief executive of Apple Computers, Steve Jobs. He founded Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. He is the co-founder of Google Incorporation, Larry Page. He is the British engineer and a computer scientist. He also invented the World Wide Web, in which year? 1989. Tim Berners-Lee, Finnish-American software engineer and the founder and coordinator of Linux, Linus Benedict Torvalds. Page number 49, unforgettable Indians. There have been many Indians who have become immortal because of their great deeds. Like we still remember them in one way or the other way. We'll read the description and we'll try to name them. Number 1, he spoke on Hinduism and Indian philosophy. His real name was Narendranath Datta, Swami Vivekananda. Number 2, she was the daughter of great King Ashoka, Sanghmitra. Number 3, her real name was Merunisa, that's Noor Jahan. Number 4, he was the great Indian leader who escaped from jail, Subhash Chandra Bose. Number 5, he founded Swatantra Party, C. Rajgopalachari. Number 6. He was one of the pioneers of the Indian national movement. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Number 7. He was the first Indian who sacrificed his life, and for what reason? Against the mistreatment given to the Indian freedom fighters in the British jails. Jatin Das. Number 8. He was an eminent freedom fighter and firm supporter of Gandhiji's and non-violence. He was the first Chief Minister of Assam. Gopinath Bordoloi. Page number 50. Pilgrimage centers. Now, what is pilgrimage? Pilgrimage is a long journey to some sacred place as an act of religious devotion. So, here we are talking about few pilgrimage centers. Let's read number 1. Originally known as Harmandir Sahib, Golden Temple. Number 2. Dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi. This temple is very popular Hindu pilgrims destination. That's Vaishno Devi. Number 3. The longest river of India, River Ganga. Number 4. South Indian temple which is dedicated to a form of Lord Vishnu, Tirupati Balaji. Number 5. Popular cave temple that's dedicated to Lord Shiva, Amarnath. Number 6. A very popular place for Muslim pilgrims both in the country as well as abroad, Ajmer Sharif. Number 7. This popular pilgrim place was the home of Sai Baba, Shirdi. Page number 51. The Great Mughals. The Mughal Empire was founded by Babur in 1526. It prospered under the first 6 emperors, together referred to as the Great Mughals. So now we are going to read the description of few great Mughals. Let's read. Number 1. He was the first of the great Mughals who invaded and conquered India in the year 1526. Babur. Number 2. He was the eldest of Babur's son, Humayun. Number 3. He was the greatest of all the Mughal emperors, Akbar. Number 4. He was the 4th great Mughal to rule India, Jahangir. Number 5. He inherited a nearly bankrupt empire from his father, Shah Jahan. Number 6. This last great Mughal ruler was an intolerant religious zealot. This is Aurangzeb. Children, with this we finish the unit test 2 syllabus. Thank you.